Hi, welcome to Kaylin's Closet. If you want to see how I achieved this everyday beginner-friendly makeup tutorial, go ahead and stay tuned. Okay, y'all. Eyebrows are something that they take a minute and I still didn't get them right, but if you guys want to see a video of how I do my eyebrows, just leave a comment in the comment section below. But we're just gonna go ahead and get started. So we're gonna always start with the clean face, and then we're gonna go in with my Shine Control Makeup Forever primer. I have oily skin in our T-zone area because that's where I get very oily. Yeah. I'm gonna go in with Lancome. We're gonna go in with number 47 makeup brush, and we're just gonna put some on the brush and then distribute all over my face. Let's just get into it.
Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. No one else.
I'm gonna go on with Nars. Your concealer should be 1 to 2 shades lighter than your foundation. I like a highlight, so we're gonna go ahead and put that underneath. Like so. Now I have mirrors like in every angle, so if y'all see my eyes kind of go from the left to the right, back to the center, please pay it no mind.
That's why I'm in my life with you. I won't please you just any way I can. I want you in my world, don't you?
And so because I've already went 2 shades lighter than my foundation, which is very, very light, I don't like for it to sit too long. So we're just going to go right into it with the concealer brush. With the Sephora brush in number 71. And we're just going to start blending it into the skin. And take your time with concealer. Like, take your time.
Understand, your love is no one in a million. It goes on and on and on.
Tap, don't swipe, tap.
You give me all day long. Your love is no one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
Before I go in with my setting powder, I like to contour first. So then I couldn't decide if I was going to go with cream contour or powder. So we're going to do cream today. And we're going to use the same concealer that we use, just 2 shades darker than my actual skin tone or my actual foundation that I use. And that's going to be the same Nars. This one in the shade Cafe. And we're going to bring the color back into my face. So we're going to come... And when you make the contour line, you're going to bring it down and up so that your cheekbone can rise. But I have very high cheekbones, so I don't really do it for the effect of snatching my face. I just do it to bring the color back into my skin when I do highlight. So we're going to just go ahead and put a little bit here, here, and then on the forehead, of course, because as I told y'all, my forehead is not the same color as my foundation, and that's fine. Everything else blends and matches perfectly. So we're just going to do a little bit up here, like so. And then we're going to put a little bit down the nose, but starting at the brow, you just do a little bit. And I do a little bit because the product's going to come down when I blend it. Okay, there's that. And we're going to grab our brush. So this is another Sephora brush from a holiday set. I don't remember. Sorry, y'all. And then we're just going to gently tap and come up.
Set out, make my heart speak. Leave no one else. You're all I need. Personality, everything you do. It's me to love. Everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly. Kiss tonight, I got a crush on you. That's truly, I'm digging you. You make me believe your love.
Then we're going in with the Sephora translucent setting powder, and I like to bake personally. That's just me. I'm gonna put a little bit on the beauty blender and then just press it and bring it out wherever you put concealer.
It goes on and on. You give me a really good.
And I smile, so when I smile, I like to also get these little lines over here. So I just kind of like put a little there as well. Sharpen the contour just a little bit. Can't forget our forehead. Oh, y'all. Charge it to my head and not my heart. Okay, so while that's baking, which is fine, I don't normally put makeup on my forehead, so I totally forgot to blend out the contour on my forehead. Okay, so that's what we're about to do. We're gonna blend it out, and that's fine. And we're just gonna go ahead and just circular motions, get that product blended in. Make sure there's no lines, like so. Y'all see? I'm over here trying to show y'all how to do a full face, and your girl done forgot a step because I don't normally do that. But I have to realize not everybody has short hair with a bang that don't need, you know. And there are some people that actually do have short hair that have a full face. But for me, like when my hair is covering my forehead, my hair not going nowhere. So we blend that out. Voila, perfect. So that's set in. Y'all are probably like, girl, what is going on? But you have to trust the process with makeup. And everybody's style is different. You just have to find out what works for you. So this works for me. We're going to grab our Sephora powder brush.
All day long.
Going on with this oil here. Okay, so then I like to go in with Morphe. This is the face palette. I like this for bronzing my face. The bronzer one right there. Just gonna bring this all together. I love a deep bronze. Like, just snatch the face up. Don't mind the hair, that'll be done. And then sometimes you can bring it down here. And then, can't forget about the nails. We're not gonna do too much, we're just gonna, just a little bit. This is like, this right here, y'all, the Sephora Microsmooth. It has to be a part of y'all makeup routine. Like, the Microsmooth is gonna literally bring my whole face together. Like, sometimes I just can't describe it, but y'all just gotta see it for yourself. So let me get to it. This with our nice fluffy, this is a bronzer brush I use, but because the brush is so big, I don't like to use it for a bronzer because then that would literally take up my whole cheek. So I use it for the Microsmooth, and this is in shade 56. And so I'll list, if I hadn't said this before, I'll list all of the items that I use in the description box below, and then you'll be able to go ahead and purchase the items for yourself. Okay, let's see. So we're just gonna get our brush nice and some product on there, dust off the excess, and just literally pat it into our face. Y'all, bring it down a little bit. Woo! Voila! We're not done. So now we're gonna go in with Yeah, face is looking good. Okay, so Big by Definition mascara. So we're gonna go in with the mascara. We're just gonna, if you take your time with the Big by Definition, it'll really pull out these lashes, honey, because your girl got them. Let's go ahead and do the other eye. My eyelashes be long, it touches my face. Go ahead and put the lashes on off camera, and I'll be right back. So lashes are on. We have those on, and I'll list the lashes down below in the description box. So now we're gonna go in with Holy Grail MAC Chestnut Liner. I have 2 of them, and I need to get a sharpener because one is low and the other one is on its way. So it'll be tragic if I cannot use this liner. So we're gonna go in with this. And we're just gonna line our lip. Okay, so we're gonna go in with Syrup by MAC, a really pretty pink. I always use this with Chestnut, and we're gonna put it in the middle. My top lip looking a little bigger today. I don't know what's going on. Maybe it's the liner. A little something. Then we're gonna go in with Fenty. Huh. Love this, y'all. Fenty in the name Fussy. And those of you that don't know, my brother's name is Fussy. Well, nickname, but you know. And he a grown man too, so whatever. Going with Fussy. I don't like too much lip gloss, but just enough. Just enough. I'm not really into highlight when I do a natural look, but today I'm in the mood for a little highlight, so we're gonna put some highlight on today, and we're gonna go in with the Sephora 19 brush. Actually, rewind. Blush. Go in with blush, and then we're gonna highlight with both of these. Just gonna bring it up right on the cheeks and bring it up like so. Then do a little highlight, tap off the excess just down the nose, just a little bit in the cheek area, whatever. See, I be getting highlight happy. That's why I be having to use a small brush, because if I use a big one, I'll be like way into it. And set our face with Sephora's makeup setting spray. Lashes still on. Woo! Okay. Okay, and then now that the face is sprayed, we're gonna go in with our bottom lashes. We can't forget that. I tend to do this last because when I spray my face, y'all, literally be struggling getting the mascara off my cheeks. Like, so. We're gonna go in with the same and just bring, oops, sorry. Y'all can't even see. Hold on, let me come a little closer. And bring the bottom lashes out. Let me do the other side. Face is looking good. And we're gonna go in with our hair. Oh, y'all. I don't like to put heat on my hair, so for me, I just kind of comb it down. I'm in a growing out stage right now because your girl wants some singles. So we're gonna grow it out, and yeah. So let's see what we can do here. It's like getting really long. So.
It's not that I don't want you here. It's not that.
Like it with your fingers. It's just like a messy look. So there we have it. It's getting long, y'all. It's getting long. Thank you for tuning into Caitlin's Closet. Excited that I was able to sit down and film this get ready with me hair and makeup tutorial. The hair wasn't really a tutorial, but a get ready with me, I should say. If you have any questions, leave those questions down below in the comment section, and don't forget to like and subscribe and share the video. Okay, I'll see y'all in my next one. Just checking in. This is my makeup 5 hours later. 5 hours. There we have it.
The way you stare in my eyes, I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you.